Hey guys, what's going on? So it may not look like it, but it is currently 16 degrees outside today. And you know what that means. It's time for a cold start. Right after I put my book bag inside. Like a champ, I can always count on this thing to start in the cold. See, what I like to do when it's this cold is right after I shut my engine off, I like to turn the knob all the way to the right so that way I can get heat in the cabin as soon as possible. Well, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up in the face, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, do what you do best, and peace out until next time.